Closing to weapon range.
Up, you've got return fire.
They have
Yeah.
Overwatch.
That's a sentry. No, that's a sentry. Wait, is that Overwatch? Are you sure?
I don't
There's
know.
a pair of
Let's just
Overwatch.
leave.
Alright, you're right. Taking hits. Yeah, we have too much tagging here. Let's get out of here.
No, okay, yeah, there's one sentry on the top. I couldn't see it from the angle on the shadowing.
Gotcha.
I can see it now with the direction he's facing.
Oh well, that's fine. Let's get out.
It looks like it took like trying to see where the damage was and not seeing it.
It was pretty brief exchange of fire. I don't think there would have been much damage on either side.
You fit an archer pod on him?
Not really.
There's a hole in the bow. But yeah.
Oh, ours were. Oh, yeah, I see it.
We're right to disengage. That's fine.
Probably.